Hey my friends, welcome back to another episode of In My Own Backyard. In this episode, we are exploring day 2 of things to do in Oakville, Ontario. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified of new videos. Visit the accompanying blog post for more info. The link is in the description. So welcome to day 2 of Oakville, and we had such an amazing day yesterday, such incredible food, the nature. I mean, it's winter time right now, but we're definitely going to come back when it's summer. So for today, we're going to spend most of our time in downtown Oakville. So what do you think of downtown Oakville?
I think it's really nice. Lots of small stores, cafes,
Yeah.
little restaurants. Is that too much?
You can go on if you'd like, or you can stop.
That's about it. But it's pretty cold right now.
So she can't talk anymore. All right, so we're going to head to our first stop, which is, I guess, breakfast.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
All righty. The Simple Kitchen is perfect for breakfast with delicious but healthy options to start the day. It offers a wide range of low-carb, paleo, and gluten-free products as well as natural body care products. If you're like me and you're looking for upscale clothing for men to wear for your evening plans, stop in at Burroughs and they'll sort you out. Maker's Mojo is a marketplace for uniquely handmade products, perfect for gift shopping. You must have lunch at this Black-owned tea room and delight in oven-baked products, award-winning gelato, and some comfort food. Nyla's Room embraces each customer with its unique Jamaican style. It celebrates some of the world's best loved comfort foods from Jamaica's North Coast. We wouldn't be surprised if you found it difficult to leave, as the staff are absolutely incredible, fun, and welcoming. Grab a New York-inspired coffee while you send out an email in the specialty coffee house. And located inside Tribeca Coffee, wallflower donuts go perfectly with that cup of coffee or tea. Oakville Town Square is the heart of downtown, and you'll find numerous shops and businesses within the square. While Georgia Square is home to the Veteran Wall memorials that Oakville put up to remember and honor their war veterans. When William Cheshholm founded Oakville, he built Urchlis Estate in a prime spot overlooking the harbor and Lake Ontario. This family home is now the Oakville Community Museum. The museum displays Oakville's rich and captivating history with various exhibits. 2 of these are centered around Oakville's Black history. This space is a not-for-profit contemporary art museum housed in the public library. This center puts on multiple performances each year. Be sure to check one out. And the perfect way to end your Oakville visit is to enjoy an ice-cold beer from this award-winning family-run brewery. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the little bell to be notified of new videos. Also, in the description below, check out the link to the blog post for more info and pictures. Till next time, my friends, cheers.